What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Coral Reef Talk. Today we're talking chalice corals. Chalice corals are some of my favorite corals because of their color and the way that they grow. In the wild, they can grow into large colonies and they grow in the form of a cup, and they grow upward, getting the name the chalice coral. The chalice coral does take a little while to grow. However, there are some that grow faster than others, and one of those is the Hollywood stunner coral. Chalice corals are LPS and they do have a sweeper tentacle, so they are considered to be semi-aggressive. Now, many reef hobbyists have found success keeping this coral in a variety of different conditions. As for me, I find it best to place the chalice coral in the middle of your tank. You can also place it low down in the sand bed under low to moderate lighting. Because these are stony corals, be sure to keep your calcium and alkalinity parameters in check. And for my tank, I keep the temperature between 78 degrees and 80 degrees. I've kept them under T5 lighting and LED lighting, but some have found that the color is really enhanced when keeping these under metal halides. However, with all the new technologies available on the market, there's a wide range of lighting choices available to you that will help you become successful in this hobby. And as for my tank, the LEDs do just fine at growing corals. Place your chalice coral low to middle in the tank, have good water flow, have patience, and soon enough you'll see your coral grow and transform and bring beautiful color to your reef tank. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you like what I do, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. Don't forget to leave me a comment and hit that thumbs up, and we'll see you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.